Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another unboxing, and today we have something super fun by Double Dip. So thank you so much to Double Dip for sending this on over. I will have discount codes and everything linked down below in the description box for you all. But this is the May surprise mystery box. I know I'm pretty late and I know a lot of people have done this, but you know, I'm just trying to catch up. It also says a really beautiful quote up here as well. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So when you first open up your mystery box, this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure everybody gets like different things and stuff, like stickers. So I did get some really cute stickers, some crinkle paper, and also it says a May surprise mystery box. You are so beautiful and amazing, babe. And then back here it just gives you like if you share about it, you get like a $15 gift card, also thank you card. We have their social medias. So yeah, that is really nice. The packaging is super cute. I got these stickers, they're adorable. And then let's move right on over to what's inside. Oh wow, so we have some nice stuff. I'm just gonna start little by little. Ooh, so we got this really pretty 2-in-1. By the way, what I love about Double Dip is that they're very inexpensive and their products are 2-in-1, so you can use this as dip powder or acrylic, and you can also create ombre with it. That's why it says ombre, which is amazing. This one is 0.5 ounces and this one is in CP022 Berry Summer. So it looks very pretty. Let me show you. I really like. Oh wow. Now this is gorgeous. This is very beautiful. Absolutely love this. So that's the first thing we received, and then we also go ahead and receive another 2-in-1 dip and acrylic, and this one is in 773 and it's called Scarlet Dress. Looks like a really beautiful orange. And it definitely is. So absolutely beautiful. Absolutely love this color, and I love how it comes with a seal protect and all to prevent spillage and stuff. And then for powder wise, the last one that we received is another really pretty glittery one, and this one's actually called Mystery. It's actually a mystery color. It says mystery color, so that's really exciting. Never gotten one of those before. So I'm really excited to see what this is all about. This is very pretty. Absolutely love that. And I will be swatching them for you all towards the end of the video. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. So far so good. Then next here we have a really cute packaging. This is really cute. I think I used to use this packaging when I used to do mystery boxes. Let me know if you guys would ever be down for me doing like mystery boxes again in the near future, because I completely took everything out of my Etsy shop. Let me know, but it would be a lot different this time. But just let me know your thoughts and opinions in regards to that. Ooh, so I'm really happy. I love collecting flashy lamps. So here we have a pink one, very pretty, and then you open it from here and you put in batteries. Definitely recommend anyone who does nails to get one of these. They are so convenient. So that is that, and then it also comes with like a tassel. I don't know what you'd call this, but you would put it on if you'd like. So it's really nice. Then we also get some gloves. Never had these, so that's nice. I'm sorry for all the noise. I know some people hate that, but I'm sorry. Ooh, so we get 2 pairs of gloves, and these are the ones that have a cutout, so they would look something like that, and they only show your like nail beds, like your fingers with nails. These are really cool. They're interesting. I've never had these before. Let me put these on. Oh, they're very flexible. Like, they're very stretchy material. So that's a plus. Okay. So this is what they would look like on the hand, for example. So that's really nice. Like if you're doing a nail set and you're constantly curing your nails, I think this could probably protect your skin from the UV lights and stuff. So it's really nice. You get a pair of gloves. Next, you also get, oh, you have some swatch sticks here. So that's perfect, and that's definitely excellent for the dip powders towards the end of the video. I'm definitely going to be swatching this for you all. Ooh, so we have some solid nail gel, and this is cured and used with a UV LED light. So I'm really excited to see what colors we got. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very sleek, very elegant. It says hello solid nail gel, and it also tells you have to use with an LED lamp, and then there are some instructions in the back in a different language. It does say 18 colors, so that is definitely really nice. Don't have anything like this. Ooh, so these are the colors that you get. Very, very beautiful. I will be swatching these for you all towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But these are what the colors look like. You get a total of 18, and I like how they also incorporated some glitters, and I love like this nude reddish type of palette. So very, very pretty, compact, and very like space efficient. So it also has this little painting, which is really pretty. So I'm really excited to swatch that for you guys. And then lastly, they also gave us a double dip premium nail liquid set. So here we have all the steps for the dip powder system. So these are the 4 main ones that you'll be using. So the main one is obviously number 2. Well, wait, I don't know how they're numbered, but this one is the dip base, which is what you would use to apply and adhere the dip powder. Then we have number 3, which is the activator. This is what hardens the dip powder after you've built it up to your desired liking. Then here we have step 4, which is a dip top. It's a dip top coat if you prefer to use that. And then for step 5, we have the brush cleaner. So sometimes when you're doing dip powder, your brush may harden, and then you just put it in here and it rejuvenates the brush all over again. So that's really nice. Thank you so much once again to Double Dip. I'm very appreciative. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So now let's go on over to some swatching.
So I'm gonna start by swatching some of these colors within like the same swatch stick, because it's just a lot of colors. So I'm going to be opening up the palette and just grabbing like any nail art brush. I'm going right in and swatching. Oh, seems to be very, very creamy. So I like that so far. Oh yeah. They seem very, very pigmented. Okay, so that is really nice. This is what it looks like. To the next. So those are the swatches. As you guys can see, I barely used much product, and I honestly fell in love with the glitters and how creamy most of these colors were. Some were a little bit more on the sheer side, but it wasn't no big deal. I'm pretty sure if you add another coat, it's perfectly fine, but they were definitely very creamy, and I love that. So I'm very, very excited and looking forward to using these in some future hauls. And just, what am I saying? I'm sorry. I look forward to using these in some future like nail tutorials, and I'm really excited. I know these are trending right now, so I'm really excited to have one. And I loved the glitter ones, like I mentioned, and the colors are really beautiful. I love nudes, so very, very nice. So let me know what you guys think down below. I think they're really nice. These are the final swatches. So pretty. As an accent now, it will look so phenomenal, or like ombre. And lastly, we have one that is so beautiful. I'm super excited to do this one. So pretty. Wow, so stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. And that's just one coat. So if you use this like as an accent now or anything like that, it will look so beautiful. The 3 swatch colors. And they are so pretty, and I love them. Of course, my favorites have to be the sparkly glittery ones. They're very, 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 very beautiful. I am in love with them. So beautiful. Love them. Love these. So yeah, these are... So honestly, my honest opinion on this box was I thought it was great. I mean, get a whole palette of... You literally get 18 solid colors, gel colors in a palette. Super compact and space efficient, so you can't go wrong with that. You get a pair of gloves, which is great if you're constantly filming or doing nails, because you protect your skin from those UV lights from the lamp or UV LED lights. Then you get 3.5 ounce. Either you could use them for acrylic, or you could use them for like dip powder. You just can't go wrong. So this is everything in the May Mystery box. Let me show you guys these swatches. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this mystery box. Have you guys purchased it? Did you already use the colors? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know down below. Your thoughts and opinions on that. But yeah, this is everything that it brings. So thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. A big thank you to Double Dip once again. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.